Okay, so we're at the Boyd Hill Nature Preserve. We're still there. And this is the big pond that the guy told me about. You can see there's a lot of marshland. It's a big pond, more like it filled with gators. There's even a sign that says, "Don't feed or molest the gators." You can see that. Okay. And this is showing you different types of wildlife that's available. Now, what I would advise is not to go too close to the edge of these ponds. You know, very ill advice, because this is what you'll find. Okay, Lake Marjorie Trail. You're gonna find these things here. Bald eagle, gators. So you never know where the gators are because they're very disguised in these marshlands. This is their habitat. So you never know what they're up to, if they're nesting or if it's mating season. You don't know. Or they're hungry and trying to eat. So the good advice is to stay away from the edges of these big lakes. Okay. Stay away from those edges. But that's just to give you an idea of what's over that side. For those who are just coming in, once again, we're in Florida, and we're in St. Petersburg area, and we're at Boyd Hill Nature Preserves. Okay. Perfect for alligators. That's the exit side.